So this was the main actual reason that I couldn't post this video a little earlier. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the like button as well. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing snippets of what I did on my 22nd birthday, starting from the midnight surprise to the party in the evening with my family, and towards the end of the video I'll also be sharing the gifts that I received for my birthday. But before I start with everything, I just want to take a moment and thank each and every one of you for your blessings and love on my birthday. I'm beyond blessed to have such positive people in my life, and I thank each and every one of you for wishing me on my birthday. Also, I know I'm a little late to upload this video, but you'll get to know why this has happened towards the end of this video. So don't forget to watch till the end. With all of that said, let's begin. So as you know, I celebrated my birthday on 16th of this month. It all started with a midnight surprise, and I'll add a few clips of it so that you can see and enjoy. Also, before I start the video, I just want to say that I don't know how much of the footage I have collected, but I'll try to make it as presentable as I can for you all. Also, this year I wanted to celebrate my birthday specifically with my family, since I wasn't home for 3 years and I couldn't celebrate it with them. So everything that you'll be seeing in this video has been done by them, and I felt so loved by every gesture that they have done for me. So I guess this has already been a long intro. Without anything else said, let's begin. Okay, so guys, I really hope you like just watching the clips that I have inserted. I really don't know how much of the video I have collected from that day. It was really a busy day and I was just running from here to there, but overall I really enjoyed my birthday. Had such great food and I am just thankful for everything that I could do on that day. So moving on to the last segment, that's the gifts that I received for my birthday. I'm pretty sure you guys are excited as well for this one. But before I start, I just want to give a short disclaimer that I'm really not trying to brag or show off anything in this video. Everything that I have received for my birthday has been given to me by my family, as I have already mentioned. They have showered me with so much of love and I'm really thankful for whatever they have given to me. So with all of that said, so the first one are these pink Puma shoes. Really love them. Although they are a little dirty right now, that's only because I have been wearing them so much lately. Really comfortable and just love this one. The next one are these pair of shorts. Although I cannot find the second one right now, I think it's in the washing machine, so I'll just add a picture over here so that you guys can see it as well. So the next one is this white color top. Since the weather is changing, so I guess this will be a good one to wear right now. So the next one is a pretty interesting gift. This is the Nykaa Go For Glow Super Hydrate Face Mask. I have ordered a few items from Nykaa recently and they have sent me this along with the items that I have ordered. Really wanted to try this since a very long time, but for some reason I don't know why I just didn't get it for myself. I'm really happy that Nykaa has sent this as a birthday gift, and Nykaa, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. So the next one is this pink and blue shirt. I'm not gonna open it completely because I have to fold it again and I'm really not good at it. Moving on to the next product, this is the olive green jumpsuit. It's a full length jumpsuit. Really love this one. It fits me so well and I cannot wait to try this. Okay, so the next one is this. I don't know what this is called, but it's basically a shirt. And on top of it, you have something like this. I don't know what this is called. If you guys know, then please let me know in the comments down below. So all I have to do is wear the shirt and wear this on top of the shirt. Really fits me well. Really like the color as well. I can wear this shirt with jeans as well. So it's a win-win situation anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. So last but not the least, I also got a new phone. This is the Samsung A51. It's in the color metallic silver if I'm not wrong. Fun fact, I have been using the Samsung A50 before this one. Really love that phone. I have nothing to complain about it. And I'm sure I'm gonna love this one as well. But apart from the phone, I really want to appreciate the earphones that came with the phone. These earphones are really amazing, work so well. I have been using them since a few days now and I really have nothing to complain. Although the earphones that Samsung used to provide before was not that good. I mean, they used to hurt my ears, but these earphones are really good in quality as well. Okay, so now comes the main story. Before buying the A51, I ordered a Samsung M31s on Amazon during their festive sale offer, and for some reason the day the phone was about to be delivered, the order got cancelled, and when I called the Amazon customer service, I was informed to wait for 2 more days as maybe the shipment has been misplaced somewhere. So I waited for another 2 days, and when I called the Amazon customer care after 2 days, I was informed that the phone was damaged. I guess it was mishandling of the delivery executive. But then I immediately requested Amazon for the refund of the money that I have paid, and they agreed to it, saying that I'll be receiving the money within 2 days. So while all of this was going on, for some reason I felt like I should just go and buy A51 because I really love how the A series work, since I have already used the A50, and at that point of time I felt like universe is giving me signals to just go and buy the A51 and not the M31S. Without wasting any time, I just went to the store and got this one. So this was the main actual reason that I couldn't post this video a little earlier. So now that I'm done getting a new phone, so I was like, that's it, I shouldn't just waste my time anymore. And so yeah, this was it, guys. Okay, so I just washed my face and realized that I forgot to mention a few things. Apart from all the things that you have seen, I also received a gift today that I have kept outside because I'm not gonna open it today. So I won't be sharing that in this video. I received cash from a few people, which obviously I'm not gonna share because that doesn't really make sense. These things. Hope you liked watching this video. Thank you so much. Now I guess I'm gonna apply the Nykaa Go for Glow mask. This actually looks like, after applying the mask, you actually look like one of the characters from the movie Avatar. I will just attach a picture so that you guys can see that as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked watching it. I got a little late to upload this one, but now you guys know the reason why. Also, before I end this video, I want to thank you guys again for all your love and support. It really means a lot to me. So if you guys like watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.